I'm going to be showing you how to get the old Reddit back. So if you want to use the old Reddit layout instead of the new design, here are the easiest ways. So what you can do is use the old Reddit website directly. So what you need to do is open a browser. You can use any of the browser that you have. I'm going to be using Safari. It's right there. Just go ahead and tap here. And once you're here, you need to go to old.reddit.com. Just press enter and you should see the classic Reddit interface, and you can bookmark it so it always opens the old version. So as you can see, you have the old Reddit. You can also try disabling the new Reddit in settings. So if you're logged in, what you need to do is go to user settings, just open your app. It's right there. You need to look at the top right where you can see your profile. Once you're here, you just need to scroll down till you find settings. After you're here, you need to go to user settings. So it doesn't work with the app, so you just need to be on that old reddit.com, and after you're here, you just need to look at the top right where you can see preferences right there. Just go ahead and tap here. Once you're there, you just need to scroll all the way down till you find this beta options right here that says use new Reddit as my default experience. So all you need to do is turn this off. And after you turn this off, then Reddit will show the old layout automatically. So in this way, you can successfully get the old Reddit back. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.